Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and this is a DIY castle on a cloud. This is easy tutorial on how to make a lamp in the form of a castle on a cloud. I'll make it out of trash. I will describe whole process in subtitles.